Hello. Today we are going to show you how to operate the ACEF countertop electric fryer. Let's dive in. To turn the fryer on, begin by setting the temperature knob to the desired temperature. Then flip the power switch to the on position. Warning: do not do this when the fryer is empty, as this can cause permanent damage to the fryer. Once the fryer is heated to the desired temperature and the heating light has turned off, go ahead and load the baskets with your product and gently lower them into the oil. Gently shaking the basket can help to level the food in the basket and prevent the food from sticking to the basket and to itself. Allow the food to cook thoroughly, then lift the baskets and empty the food from them. To clean the fryer, turn the fryer off and allow it to cool down. Once the fryer is cooled down, push in the lock pin on the right side of the fryer head and rock the heating element and fryer head backwards until the locking pin locks into the drip oil position. Allow the oil to drip off of the heating element. Once all the oil has dripped off the heating element, push the lock pin in again and rock the heating element and fryer head back further until the locking pin locks into the remove pot hole. At this point you can use the handles on the left and right side of the pot to remove the pot and dump it out. To clean the pot you can use soap and water, or the pot can be placed in your commercial dishwasher. Once cleaned, reinstall the pot and gently lower the heating element back into the fry pot. Refill the fry pot with fresh oil and you are ready to cook again. Thank you for watching this training video.